and this will warm you guys up for the next video. Nice. You may remember a video I did not so long back on Night Cafe, and I didn't have much success. So here I was trying to do a smoky gorilla and Michael Jackson. So let's just nip to the Michael Jackson one. Yeah, if Michael Jackson was a planet, and although there's kind of planets in the background and kind of oil painting, I guess, of Michael Jackson and a little robot, it's not brilliant. If we go back to my Elon Musk creation, there's no Elon Musk in the picture, and when I did realistic gorilla, there was no gorilla at all. So although I was getting free credits, gorilla testicles, I wasn't quite getting the results on Night Cafe, and it was actually really promising to start off with. But there has been an update, and if people remember, this was my original Michael Jackson, if Michael Jackson was a planet. So that was actually better than the earlier picture that I showed you. Kind of my most recognisable video recently was the apocalyptic car park, and I tried to evolve it so it included the zombies, and then evolve it again, and it just wasn't giving me the quality that I was looking for, especially when I'm trying to find art or you know, game ideas for characters and backdrop. So this is nowhere near the quality that I require. But with the new Stable Diffusion update, when these were supposed to be masks, Halo mask, and I tried to evolve that a number of times. This is with the new update. And I am working on a mask project. Hint, it could be an NFT project. So now this is my apocalyptic car park. So this has kind of photorealism, and it was evolved from this picture, my original picture. This now has the photorealism. This is the quality that it's pushing out. So I did a variation of it. This is another one, Apocalyptic Car Park Sinister by Greg Rutkowski. And then I evolved this from a previous picture. So again, apocalyptic car park. So I evolved this with a previous image that I created, I believe, on Midjourney. I created this one on Midjourney, pulled it into this program with the apocalyptic car park, and came out with this. So this is very kind of futuristic and sinister. I guess exactly what I'm going for. So this is kind of just trial and error. So I'm not trying to get a mask or an apocalyptic car park. This one was a little bit hit and miss. Today I just wanted a red robot mask, and it missed half the mask. But now that I've found the update, and I just want to test it again while I do this video, so I'm going to go to create, and now you see this new Stable Diffusion option. It's in beta mode still, but it's text to image, so I can literally type what I like. So I'm genuinely going to go for a character now. A thug with an eye patch, a leather vest, pistol, and a monkey. Now, part of the game that I've got is a character. Each character has a pet, and for those following the game, that is a hint for the game. Now I want it, let's go cyberpunk, and then I may evolve it to horror later. That's 1 credit. I've got 77 credits. Let's go. Now that is incredible. So again, there's no monkey, so I think it's got something against monkeys. But this is a thug with an incredible eye patch. That is an amazing quality. So he's got a leather vest, perfect, and he looks like he's holding a pistol. Now I can't see a monkey, so every time I request a monkey or a gorilla, the program doesn't seem to be able to create it. This is incredible. This is perfect, and in fact, I don't need to I don't need to evolve it by the looks, but I'm going to. And as promised, I'm going to do horror. I'm just going to change it. I want a monkey on it. Monkey on his shoulder. Let's see if that works. Horror. So again, evolving this creation, 1 credit. And notice how incredibly quick it is. When I was using Disco Diffusion, it was taking 25 minutes. That's incredible. So yeah, it really does struggle with monkey. So I'm going to evolve that again. So I'm going to go back to the original one, evolve the creation, keep it cyberpunk, but remove the monkey. And that's interesting. So optionally, you can add a mask to limit the region that gets edited. I'm not going to do that in this version. So yeah, essentially all that is doing is changing the face and the head. So actually, you know, I actually prefer the original. But in seconds, this comes back in 30 seconds. I'm going to create a new one. A marshland. And you know where I'm going with this if you follow the channel. With stones and druids. A knight standing watching the land. It is eerie and foggy. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go sinister because that seems to bring back the right kind of art for me. 1 credit, let's go. Again, it took seconds. So we have a marshland with stones and druids. Potentially that's too big to be a druid. But a knight standing watching the land. Perfect. It's eerie and foggy. It's done exactly what I've asked for. And now I'm going to copy and paste because we'll get a completely different image. Create text sinister. And that first one I did could almost be game art. You know when you buy a game in a shop, it could be the front cover of a game. It's incredible. That quality is just unbelievable. So again, you've got like a druid and you've got a knight watching over the land. Not so much stones, there are stones there, but that is incredible. Now I'm going to save this. Yeah, so it's only a web file. So that is definitely quality. It's good enough quality to kind of render later, to, you know, kind of smooth out some of these pixels and darken the lines. But that is beautiful. Now for those wanting to know how the game is coming along, I have actually recorded an Unreal Engine video, and it's absolute basic. It's for basic beginners on how to use Unreal Engine and the launch. But that video is on the way. But in the meantime, the game is about MapleStory. It's a 3D game. It's a 2D, in fact it's a 2D game, but I'm going to do 3D art, MapleStory characters. Let's see what this brings back. And this will warm you guys up for the next video. Nice. So just go to Google, go to MapleStory characters, just see if it comes back with any likenesses. So they're 3D characters that it's come back with, which is what I asked for. It doesn't give me 3D, a 2D option, but what the hell is that? This is the closest I think. Let's have a look at this one. Jesus. So yeah, you kind of brought back this version of a Maple 3D character, and very similar, but without the crudeness. I love this. So cool. Hopefully that's warmed you up for the next video. Thanks for watching this one. That was a good insight to Night Cafe, and actually I've got 70 odd options to create new game characters. So if you want to see that video, comment in this one, subscribe so that you can follow my game, and I'll see you in the next one.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.